This is a Barncombe Modular Sectional sofa. We had difficulty putting the backs on them and figured that maybe we could make a useful video. For this, we ended up using, this is an upholsterer's rubber mallet. But if you have a hammer and you just put a towel over it, it should be fine. So, put the sections in like this. And you get to a point where pushing and shoving doesn't work. So we take a towel, put it over the top, and just give it slight taps. This one has some weight to it, it's 24 ounces. And it starts sliding in. So on this one you can see it going down just slightly. And just have patience. You want to get them all the way down.
That one's a lot further out.
Yeah.
There we go. Getting there.
What I do is I apply pressure with my hand on top to stabilize the whole thing. And then, in this case, I have to get a pretty good shot. But it is going in.
Just
And
about.
you have to do it until these two match up. That's when they're fully locked.
I think you got it.
Yeah. And they're both flush. So that's what you want. And that's how you put the back on a Barncombe sectional sofa.